Hi, are you aware of the 3 common problems today? Dehydration, acidosis and inflammation? Well, a lot of the liquids we're consuming on a regular basis can be helping lead to things like low energy, poor sleep, increased pain. And the simplest way that we found to help reduce those is by the water we drink. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you a quick demonstration covering those 3 properties. If we go over here, we've got the tap water, which we're going to get and fill up this jug. And then we're going to allow the tap water to go through the Enagic Kangen unit. So put that in there. This is Enagic's flagship product. So we'll let this fill up. As you can see, we're doing this live so that you know that we're not cheating you in any way possible. And there we go. So let's just put the lids on those 2. So we've got our tap water in the blue one, and we've got the Kangen water in the nice flowery one. So first of all, I'm going to put some tap water in this little cup, and I'm going to put it in this one. So the first liquid we're going to look at is Mizone. Now this is a sports drink, so it's used to replenish electrolytes lost during exercise. The next one we're going to look at is the Gatorade, popular drink among athletes. Oh, we'll put that in there. Okay, and then we're going to look at sparkling spring water. So just be careful that this doesn't jump out everywhere on me. Okay. Then we're going to look at another filtered spring water, okay, and Puro, and put that in there. So we're using different waters just to help you get clarity around a lot of these commonly drank waters and what we're putting in our body. Now coconut water, there's a lot of focus around coconut water at the moment, especially in smoothies. So we'll use this one here, and just fill that up. Okay, all good. Soda water. So a lot of people like this with a bit of vodka and lime at the weekend. So we'll give this one a quick taste. Okay. And then we've got one of the healthiest waters on the market. We've got Antipodes, sold in a lot of health cafes, organic restaurants and so on. So we'll put that in there. And then we will do the Kangen water. Okay. There we go. Now then, the first property we're going to focus on is the oxidation property. Now this is what's basically aging and rusting process. So we've got a meter here that tells us whether a liquid is helping to cause oxidative stress or reduce it. Now if it gives us a positive reading, it's causing oxidation, it's causing us to age, to rust. At the moment, it's a positive 300 plus, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick it in the drinks as we go along so that you can see the difference with what we're looking at. Remember, if this goes into a negative, it's a powerful antioxidant, which is what we want. So first of all, we'll go into tap water. So we're climbing here, 450, 460, and we're still going up. So this is causing a lot of that oxidative stress, the aging process. So we go through, we go into the Mizone. So this is your sports drink to help replenish after exercise. So we've got 450, slowly coming down, but still a very high oxidant. And if we look at the chart, the oxidative chart here, you can see on the right hand side that any of those liquids are causing the oxidative stress. So we go into the Gatorade. So now we've got 380 and climbing, so positive 380. So this is helping to cause the aging process, the rusting of the body. Now we go into the sparkling mineral water. So let's just have a look at that. So we're around about high 400s, 480, 490. So that's causing a lot of oxidative stress. We go into the Puro, so the filtered spring water. So we've got a high 400s again. Okay, so we can clearly see that a lot of these liquids already are causing that us to age, basically, the oxidative stress on us. We'll go into the coconut water. So coconut water is coming down a little bit, but it's still very, very high, still in the high 400s. So now we're coming down, we're getting into around about high 300s. We've seen this get down to about 280, but still causing a lot of that oxidative stress. So just dip it into the water there. We go into the soda water, 366, 360, so high 300s, causing that aging process. So just give that a rinse off. Then we go into the natural spring water from New Zealand, the Antipodes, and you can see it's 400, high 300s. So that's also causing the oxidative stress, the aging process. And all illness and disease originates in a body under oxidative stress, so it's really important to understand that. So then we go into the Kangen water, and what you're noticing here is it's gone into a negative. It's over negative 300 at the moment, still climbing negative 320. So you can see that the Kangen water, compared to all the others, is reducing oxidative stress, reducing the aging process, so that we can feel and look younger, enjoy our life. So that's a very, very powerful demonstration, just to give you clarity around the liquids that we're consuming on a regular basis that are helping to cause us to age. On our next video, we're going to cover which liquids are acidic. This is a pH chart. Okay, it ranges from pretty much 2 all the way up to 14. Now, our body wants to be in more of an alkaline state to help reduce the chances of getting illness and disease. And the way that we're going to do this test is with some pH drops, potential hydrogen, within the waters. Now then, if we start here, I'm going to just add some drops to these liquids so that you can see the difference of which ones are acidic and which ones are alkaline. Okay, so if I give this a quick swirl, now what you may be noticing is that a lot of these liquids are yellow, orangey, and that when we look at the chart, we can see that anything on this side of the chart is causing acidic stress within the body. And the common symptoms of a body under acidic stress: low energy, poor sleep, joint pain, muscle pain, these skin conditions, a lot of it in this environment. So if we start here at my zone, we can see it's causing a lot of acidic stress, as well as Gatorade. Now, the big thing around these drinks is that when we perform exercise, lactic and uric acid is created, and our body releases electrolytes, which is basically calcium, from the bones to neutralize any acidity that is created in the body or that we consume. Now, when we are performing exercise and our body's working to recover quickly, and we come along and we drink anything that's acidic, our body releases more naturally occurring electrolytes to neutralize that acidity. So we're actually increasing acidity throughout the body, which is quite shocking from a health professional's point, which I never knew much around this. When we look then at the spring water, we're over here, very acidic again, so causing more of that inflammation within the body. The other spring water, very acidic. Now this one always interests people, the coconut water, very acidic, and this is all packaged coconut water. However, if you get coconut water from a fresh coconut, it's actually neutral, okay? So something to be aware of whenever when we're making our smoothies and using a lot of coconut water. Soda water, very acidic, okay? And it's no better with your vodka and your lime in it, I can guarantee you that. Your Antipodes, also very acidic. So as we're seeing here, we've already shown that these liquids are causing oxidative stress, are causing your body to age, to rust. Now we're seeing that they're causing acidic stress as well. This water is the tap water. Now tap water is federally regulated to always come out neutral to slightly alkaline. And the reason for that is because the chemicals that they add increase the pH to prevent rusting the pipes through the ground. However, I'm not sure about our own pipes in our body. So tap water will always come out that colour. The Kangen water, we chose the 9.5 setting. It's high alkaline. It's also high in antioxidants, so it's very good for the body. The difference between this water and alkaline water is that alkaline water has minerals added to it to increase the pH. That creates a chemical change within the water. This water, however, has an electrical change, which helps create electrical based antioxidants, as well as the byproduct is the alkalinity of it. So there's nothing added to the water in any way, so it can't build up in the system. So what I'm going to do now is just show you what happens when we start drinking Kangen water. So if I had a bit of this there, you can see it's clearly turned this drink into a healthy drink. So if I go along and start down here and I go through, the only thing you're going to start to notice is that the colour starts to fade a little bit. And that's just because if we added more pH drops, it would become brighter again. Trying to change, but wasn't. Coconut water, surely we can get coconut water back. No, unfortunately not. Now soda water, just trying. Now this one, the Antipodes, look at that. Did you see that? We'll do it again. It changed and then it went back. So if we come along as well to the tap water, you know, we can change that into a bit more healthy. So if I was to come along and as normal, have a smoothie, put a bit of coconut water into my water, whichever, to my body, look at how it's just neutralized that and created it to be acidic. So the acidic properties of the coconut water have neutralized the health properties within the Kangen water. This is helping to give people a clearer understanding of how they can help reduce that acidity that's being created in the body on a daily basis so that they can experience improved health. If you want to know more, please contact us around that. Our next video, our third property, is going to be how the body is hydrated far quicker by drinking Kangen water compared to regular water. Thank you.